Okay, class. You are done with your listening lesson, and now you are in your speaking lesson. You are still learning about those three categories of expressions, but in this speaking lesson, you will focus on how to pronounce keywords in those expressions. And now we're gonna use another CL technique, namely Team Jigsaw. Yeah, Team Jigsaw. Maybe some of you already know about this. Some others might not experience this before. So let's talk about how it works. Team Jigsaw works where each group has experts. Okay, has experts, and these experts will help the other group members to master the materials that these experts master. Okay, so let's do it. You ready, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A, raise your hand. A. Okay, A. Yeah, you are A. It's okay. A, raise your hand. Yeah, why don't you follow me? I'm gonna bring you to a corner. Yeah, please stand up and follow me. Here. Yeah. B, raise your hand. Yes. Why don't you join her and you guys will stand up there. Yeah. Go ahead. You go this way. C, raise your hand. Yes. You guys stand up there. You are experts gathering together on that corner. And D, yeah. Please use the remaining corner over there. Yeah. So I have 4 groups right now. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. What I want you to do with your group member, with your partner basically, because there are 2 people there, is to study the given words. For example, I give 3 words for group 1, and in your group I want you to practice how to pronounce these 3 words with correct word stress. You might want to use your phone or your online dictionary to check the word stress. Okay? So make sure you master how to pronounce them correctly with word stress. And then when you return to your group, your bigger group, Group A and B, you will teach your group members on how to pronounce the words of your expertise. Is that clear?
Yes,
Alright, let's do it. Group 1, and then Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Okay, experts, you ready to go back to your group?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what to do when you return and meet your group members?
Tell other member.
Tell or teach?
Teach.
Yeah, teach your group members about? Okay, about how to pronounce how many words?
3.
Especially with the correct
Pronunciation.
pronunciation, especially word stress. Okay, you ready to travel and go back to your group?
Yes,
Okay, go ahead. Okay, experts, you ready to teach your group members?
Yes.
Okay, who's A in each group? Raise your hand. Yes? You two have to teach first, followed by B, C, and D. Go.
Okay, guys. So what I learned from our frameworks, the first one is think. Think. It's like think. Think. Yes. Think. Okay. And then the second word is opposite. It has word stress in the first syllable. Opposite. Okay. Once again, opposite. Read. It is a silent word, so we have to read O-U-T. Doubt. Once again, doubt. Okay. That's all.
A, you did the performance, you did the teaching? Yes?
Yes.
B? Yes?
Yes.
C? Yes. Now it's time for D to do the teaching of those three words that you mastered. Go.
The first one is disagree. Same thing, like you have to. So the first one is disagree. Disagree. I think this stress is
Disagree.
disagree.
Okay, how many words that you have mastered through Team Jigsaw? 12? Yeah, 12. I'm gonna ask one from each group to share with us or to perform how to pronounce those three words with correct word stress. You can pick any words, but I want you to do three. Okay? Okay, group A. Yeah, please do the performance.
So for our group, we have a think, and then oversee.
Okay, thank you, Yakti. Moving on to group B, who's gonna perform? Rita? Okay, go ahead.
So from our group, we choose disagree, true, and point.
Okay, can you do it one more time?
Disagree, true, point.
Yes, thank you. Thanks for everyone. So again, at least you mastered 12 words with correct word stress. And that's it for our speaking lesson today. Thank you for your participation.